Hello to all my sweet little children. Welcome to another session with DP Kids where we make origami creations. So I hope you have enough paper with you. So let's make a useful thing today. Can you see what it is? It's an envelope. We are making an envelope today, so you can use it for anything in the future. Now we need a big paper today to make this envelope, right? 15 centimeters into 15 centimeters if you use, it will be this size. So this is too small, isn't it? We need it to be bigger. So if we want it to be the same size as this, as a normal envelope, we need a big piece of paper. So we'll need maybe 25 centimeters or more in length and width. So this is the paper that I'm going to use. Let's look at what we are going to do. Now fold it in half like this to make a triangle. Open it up and do the same thing without getting the sides mixed up. Now this corner comes to the middle intersecting point here. You all have done so many of these before. I'm just telling you once because of that. Then fold it in half like this, but keeping a little bit on the top. Press it down, and can you see that there's a middle line here? So bring this corner to a point that is a bit beyond the middle, right? Not exactly the middle, but a bit beyond it. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure the two sides are the same size, the same way, pasted or put together in the same way. And now press the corners, press the sides and the edges. Now this piece, you have to fold it backwards. Then open it up. Now see, we are going to push it down. Open it and push it down so that we get a little pocket there, so that we can easily put the top part of the envelope or insert it to the bottom. Now that's the basic shape of our letter. Let's see now how to make a little heart shape at this corner, in this corner. So now this, fold it back like this little square piece, and then put a little cut from the top to the middle line until the middle line only. Then we made a heart-shaped bookmark. So just like that, this edge comes down to the bottom along the same edge. And do the same thing on the other side, so that you end up with a triangular shape on top. If you want it to be more clearer, you have to push down the triangle a bit more. See, you get a heart shape there. Now it's a beautiful envelope which is useful as well, and something you can use for home purposes. So this is an envelope I have made. I am putting a little card, a beautiful card into it. In the next video we'll be making this card. So do you know what it is? The name of the flower. I want you to try and find out the name of the flower before the next video. I will see you soon. Goodbye.